What's up YouTube, it's your boy Joey Max back with another banger. In this video I'm going to be going over the plans with my LS Swap 240SX and what I'm doing to it. As you guys can see, we've gotten a good 2 drift events out of it. Throw some clips probably after I get done explaining this to you guys. But we built this car, me and Kyle built this car in about a month and a half. I'll throw both pictures of start and kind of when it was done here. But currently, since we've tested this setup and things like that, there's obviously things we need to change, and it was a fresh build. I got this thing as a box of rocks. But I'll probably get back to you guys in another video. Just wanted to give you a rundown on my plan to doing it. Let me pull up my notes. So right now, I'm upgrading this turbo. We're going to be putting a bigger turbo. It has a 0.91 AR housing. I got one that has a 1.25. So it's going to make a little more power. These fans are pretty shit. They're just the stock LS or stock SR and shit 240 fan shroud that ISR sells. So I got small upgraded fans. I'm gonna pull that off, weld those 2 bongs there, just because they're gonna blow. It's hot over there, it's rubber. I'm going to be bringing it to my tuner. Already talked to him, trying to figure out just getting this car done. I ordered front over fenders, rear over fenders. I'm redoing the fuel system, so instead of it like looping across and going back, each rail is going to have its own return. So I'm going to be doing that, and I got an oil leak to fix. LS oil leaks, man. That's what all you guys can see, like all there. It was pretty decent, but if you add oil, there's oil in it. The threads on my oil filter relocation are leaking. But once that's taken care of, this thing's going to be a pretty good unit. It makes about 550 right now, but with the new turbo and doing the fuel line, shit like that, we're probably going to make like 850 out of this car. I'll probably turn it down to like 6, leave it around 6 because it makes plenty of power to slide. We got rear over fenders for the car. I went ahead and did 55mm over fenders we're going to be doing because stock body shit's trash. Like, it's a 9-inch wheel, I'm pretty sure. Shit fits terrible. And we got front over fenders. I'm probably going with the 2F Performance Super Doof full kit. Probably going to order that this week. But this car is going to be basically done, I want to say, in the next 2 months. I'm going to probably record every single thing we do. I ordered the headlights for it, so we're going to redo this whole front core support. And my buddy Cliff's going to come. He's coming over actually in a few. We're going to go over everything that we need to do. And basically just take it step by step. I'm going to record every process, post it all on here, cut in the quarters to do the over fenders, front fenders, full support. But this is the last time the Dumpster 240 is going to look like the Dumpster 240. And we are painting it Isles of Man green, as you guys can see. The inside's already that color. Got to get some trim pieces and shit, but just a quick little rundown on my LS Swap 240SX, and it makes a good amount of power. If you guys want to know the complete build and how much I spent, this video is going to be probably right there. And this is how to build a 240 for under $10,000 LS Swap. yeah, so gonna do over fenders, all that shit, documented on here, and we'll just keep going from there. I want to have this at an event in March because that's my birthday, so I want to do either a PD or a public day. And as you guys can see, Jordan spun that one, hit me here, so the over fenders are gonna be kind of nice. I'm gonna try to pull that out, and then I fucking hit the wall there. But we gotta fix this, and this car's gonna look like a good bucket of shit. So if you guys are new here and interested in following me going over my Nissan 240SX and fixing all the little small bullshit with it, then stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe, and I have plenty of other cool shit. I have my K-Swap Maxima that I'm building that right now is on the back burner because of this car. So this car is the reason that car's not done. Jake got me into drifting, and I like it. So that's why I kind of pursued this more than just doing the Maxima. But Maxima is going to get done once this is complete. And yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, shit like that. I have shirts actually, joymax.com, check them out, Maxima t-shirts, we have those dropped. And we're dropping F-150 shirts, I'll be making a video on that soon, so thanks for watching.